Hello there guys, we are giving away $100 worth of Gen to 3 lucky winners. First place will get $50, second $30 and third place $20. It is completely free to enter, everyone has exactly the same chance. All you need to do is retweet a tweet, so click on the link in the description of this video. That will take you over to this page which is hosted on the Gleam platform, and then if you scroll on down to the bottom, you just click on the link right here, it'll open up in Twitter. Obviously you've got to connect your Twitter account and then just retweet my tweet. That's all you need to do. That will give you a chance of winning. The competition ends at the end of this month. You can enter wherever you are in the world. I will then do a live draw of the winner on my YouTube channel, and I'll contact you by direct message on Twitter to get your BSC wallet address, and I'll send you your Gen. So that's all you've got to do. Be in with a chance of winning $50, $30 or $20 worth of Gen. Someone's got to win. It may as well be you. Take care. Bye bye.